guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today's video is going to be recreating some of the Bollywood most iconic looks. I think it's gonna be iconic for most of you because I've watched each and every movie. I'm gonna show you the look I'm recreating of, and these are going to be amazing. So these looks are going to be pretty amazing. Like, they are ranging from Deepika Padukone, Anushka Sharma to Kiara Advani. All these 20s actresses which are currently pretty trending. Also, the main aim of this video is not to recreate their photo, but it's to recreate their outfit. In my previous video in which I was recreating my pictures, they were my whole picture, the setting and outfit, everything, but this is going to be only the outfit. I can't recreate the same picture, but I'm gonna recreate the outfit, and these are pretty good outfits. I really like them. Also, if you want me to recreate any of other actresses look, like any specific actresses or their Instagram photo or any of the movie look, do comment down below in the comment section. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video.
So the first look is from the movie Andhadhun of Radhika Apte. I love her acting, and her outfit in this movie was pretty simple and yet elegant. I would say pretty casual, and in this outfit she is wearing a pink t-shirt with some ribbed denims and with a yellow sling bag and glasses. This outfit was one of the most easiest one because it's pretty casual and I could recreate it very easily, and that's I wore a pink blouse, a t-shirt with some ribbed denims. I didn't have a plain yellow sling bag, but I wore a one with the yellow sling and with the glasses. I really love this outfit. It's pretty simple and elegant. I really like this outfit, and yeah, I just love the movie as well, the Andhadhun, and her outfit is very nice, fresh, and very easy to recreate. There wasn't much doing in this outfit. I just wore a pink top with some blue denims with sling bag, and for footwear it wasn't visible. I wore a white sneaker. For the second outfit, it's Anushka Sharma from Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. I love her role in this movie. So in this outfit, she is wearing a yellow kurta and with denim. So this style is totally new for me. I like this style a lot, wearing a kurta with denim, and she's wearing boots with it, which makes her outfit more boho and chic. And her left hand has a lot of jewelry, so that's what I did in my outfit. I tied my hair as she did, not a profession, I just did what I could. And I wore a Lucknowi kurta that time with some denims. I fold them from the bottom, and with the boots, which are not the same, but I wore the boots. And she was wearing a lot of chunky silver jewelry. That's what I did. On my left hand I wore a ring and some bracelets which were very silvery and very chunky, and I love her look. The next look is from the movie Kabir Singh. I just love this movie. I love the characters. I love the song of this movie. I love everything about this movie. So let's talk about Preeti, Kiara Advani. So in the movie, she used to wear a lot of patiala suits and pretty simple suits, decent suit, and I used to love her look. It was a very nice outfit for college, which is very simple. So that's what I wore. I borrowed my mom's suit because I really don't own any pink this kind of suit, so I borrowed her Lucknowi suit, and I wore my chudidas or patiala, whatever you call, I don't know, whatever we call that. So I wore that, and she always used to wear those middle parting hair. I used to love that, and that's what I wear every time, middle parting ponytail. That's my favorite. I just love that, and her look is pretty decent, pretty easy, and that's what I recreated. And also in this look, I just put on a little bit of blush on bare face because her cheeks used to be very pinkish. So that's what I did for this look. Very natural, very natural look she used to have in the movie, and that's what I did. So next look is from the movie Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. I love Deepika Padukone's look in that, and actually tons of people, there are tons of people who love this movie. It's their favorite movie, and even it's mine. I love the movie, the character, everything. So Naina, her character is like in the starting it's very studious and very padhaku kind of girl. I love that. And so in this she's wearing a denim jacket with a white dress and with a sling bag and some glasses and hairband. That's what I did, but I wasn't able to find my denim jacket. I don't know where did I kept that, so I put a shrug because in other looks I've seen she used to wear a lot of shrugs and dresses, like dress and then shrug over it. So that's what I did. I wore a white dress and I wore a shrug, purple shrug over it. And yeah, I love her look. And also I wore black spectacles. These were like my dad's spectacles and they had power, and that's what I did for this look. I wore a specs with power and my eyes were hurting. And then I also wear a pearl headband because she used to wear headbands a lot. It's very girl next door type. So this look is of Alia Bhatt from the movie Dear Zindagi. So her role in this movie was very girly and chubby. I just love every movie of hers. And so in this movie she used to wear a lot of bohemian outfits like layering and shrugs and necklaces, and her style was on fleek. So in this look she is wearing an olive green top with some denim shorts and a duster over it with some layered necklace and glasses. That's what she did. And she wore a tan bag. I forgot to wear my tan bag. I own a lot of them but I didn't wear. I just don't know why. So in this look what I recreated, I wore an olive green top with some shorts, and I wore a dress as like a shrug. I opened all the buttons and wore it as a shrug. It gave the same effect. It's not the same, but it gives the same vibe, like the bohemian vibe. And then I wore a necklace and some glasses. That's what was the look. I just love this look. It was pretty simple and like very classy and very chilled out look. You could wear it outside. It's very nice. And the footwear wasn't visible, so I wore my slides. The next look is of Sara Ali Khan from the movie Love Aajkal 2. So I really liked the movie. It was pretty decent, not the most favorite thing, but it was okay. So in this movie she used to wear a lot of like elegant stuff. I'm saying elegant a lot of time because these actresses are pretty elegant. So she used to wear a lot of office wear work, like office dresses. And she in this look she is wearing a white blouse with some blue denims and a tote bag, and her hair is tied in a manner which I did. And I wore a same sort of thing, like a white blouse with a bluish design going on, not the same thing, but that's what I could recreate, and with some dark blue denims. And also I used to feel that she used to wear a lot of heels, so I paired it up with my heels because in none of the looks I was able to see what they wear, like what was their footwear, so I wasn't able to see that, so I just wore heels. I love this outfit. It gave me really like boss feels, like I'm going to office or something. It gave me that feels. I love this look a lot. In the whole movie Sara Ali Khan's look was pretty stylish and nice, and I like this bossy look.
I hope that you will like this video of recreating iconic looks of Bollywood actresses, and also comment down below which song I was singing from Kabir Singh because I love that movie. So do comment down below which song I was singing while filming the look. And I hope that you will like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay safe, stay happy. Bye guys.